Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Foodtech 360. In this video, we are doing important MCQs on the topic Agronomy Set 3. It consists of 25 MCQs, so watch till end and comment down your score out of 25. This video is sponsored by India's #1 online education platform, Unacademy. We are so happy and proud to be a partner channel of Unacademy. Unacademy is providing live special classes, special marathon classes, daily test series, mock tests, live quizzes and unlimited recorded sessions. So download Unacademy Learning app from the Play Store and sign into the app and choose Kerala PSC as your required course and click on free live classes. After that, it will ask for any referral code. You can use Foodtech 360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes and free tests on Unacademy. Unacademy Learning app link is given in the description. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. Which one of the following has organic form of sulfur? Options A. Purine, B. RNA, C. Phytin, D. Cysteine. Correct answer D. Cysteine. Question number 2. If the net down area is 141 and the double cropped area is 47, then cropping intensity will be options A. 103%, B. 163%, C. 133%, D. 153%. Correct answer C. 133%. Question number 3. Most common micronutrient deficient in dry land. Options A. Iron, B. Zinc, C. Boron, D. Copper. Correct answer B. Zinc. Question number 4. Mechanisms adopted by the ephemeral plant to overcome soil moisture stress is dash. Options A. Drought escaping, B. Drought tolerance, C. Drought avoider, D. Drought resistance. Correct answer A. Drought escaping. Question number 5. Nutrient lost from the gaseous form is options A. Nitrogen, B. Calcium, C. Potassium, D. Phosphorus. Correct answer A. Nitrogen. Question number 6. Leaf of Bengal gram rich in options A. Formic acid, B. Butyric acid, C. Acetic acid, D. Malic acid. Correct answer D. Malic acid. Question number 7. Which measure water flow from a pipe? Options A. Partial flume, B. V-notch, C. Venturi meter, D. Cutthroat flume. Correct answer C. Venturi meter. Question number 8. Most popular agrotechnology evolved by ICRISAT. Options A. Toe ridging, B. Headed furrow, C. Broad bed furrow, D. Vertical mulching. Correct answer C. Broad bed furrow. Question number 9. Soil water potential at ultimate wilting point. Options A. 0.3 bar, B. 15 bar, C. 33 bar, D. -60 bar. Correct answer D. -60 bar. Question number 10. Which wheat seed having the smallest size? Options A. Striga, B. Mesquite, C. Eleucina, D. Acranthus. Correct answer A. Striga. Question number 11. Fiber fineness measured by options A. Micronaire, B. Digital fibrograph, C. Presley tester, D. Odometer. Correct answer A. Micronaire. Question number 12. The country has the largest area under drip irrigation. Options A. Israel, B. India, C. Australia, D. USA. Correct answer D. USA. Question number 13. Seed dormancy can be broken by red light in dash. Options A. Pea, B. Gram, C. Lettuce, D. Castor. Correct answer C. Lettuce. Question number 14. Hay is prepared from crops rich in dash. Options A. Sugar, B. Fat, C. Crude fiber, D. Protein. Correct answer D. Protein. Question number 15. Soil sickness is caused due to dash. Options: A. Autotoxins, B. Nitrogen deficiency, C. Accumulation of phosphate, D. Zinc deficiency. Correct answer: B. Nitrogen deficiency. Question number 16. Application of MOP is not suitable for dash. Options: A. Sugarcane, B. Jute, C. Sugar beet, D. Tobacco. Correct answer: D. Tobacco. Question number 17. Allelopathic effect of corn is seen on options: A. Chenopodium album, B. Parthenium hysterophorus, C. Cyprus rotundus, D. Datura stramonium. Correct answer: C. Cyprus rotundus. Question number 18. Transportation of photosynthetes is mediated by options: A. Magnesium, B. Phosphorus, C. Potassium, D. Copper. Correct answer: C. Potassium. Question number 19. Colza is related to options: A. Mustard, B. Sunflower, C. Jute, D. Castor. Correct answer: A. Mustard. Question number 20. Heating the soil using plastic mulch is termed as options: A. Desiccation, B. Thermal radiation, C. Solarization, D. Vaporization. Correct answer: C. Solarization. Question number 21. Which one of the following species has an inflorescence of terminal digitate spikes of spikelets? Options: A. Setaria italica, B. Eleusine coracana, C. Panicum sumatrense, D. Panicum miliaceum. Correct answer: B. Eleusine coracana. Question number 22. Which one of the following fungus is perithecal ascomates? Options: A. Ericife, B. Ungulina, C. Podospora, D. Gibberella. Correct answer: B. Ungulina. Question number 23. Which one of the following is not a nonsense codon? Options: A. UAG, B. UAA, C. AUG, D. UGA. Correct answer: C. AUG. Question number 24. End product of glycolysis is options: A. Acetyl CoA, B. Pyruvic acid, C. Glucose I-phosphate, D. Fructose I-phosphate. Correct answer: B. Pyruvic acid. Question number 25. In which one of the following disease the symptom is spatially separated from the pathogen niche? Options: A. Crown gall, B. Dieback, C. Leaf spot, D. Blight. Correct answer: A. Crown gall. If you have missed out our previous videos, we have linked them down in the description. For daily updates and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. Test your 12th level prelims preparation with free championship test papers. Every paper contains all relevant topics and has been carefully prepared by the experts, keeping in mind the latest notification and syllabus for upcoming 12th level prelims to be held in 2021. You will also have the facility to write the test even after the live test is over. In this course, top educators will help you prepare for all degree level exam. The course will be helpful for aspirants preparing for Kerala PSC. Learners at any stage of their preparation will be benefited from the course. All doubts related to the topic will be clarified during the doubt clearing sessions in this course. In this course, top educators will help you prepare for 10th level prelims exam. The course will be helpful for aspirants preparing for Kerala PSC. This course will be available only on Unacademy Plus. So subscribe to Unacademy because you will get the following benefits through Unacademy Plus subscription. For upgrade to Unacademy Plus, select the Plus button and choose your required plan. You can use FootTech360 as the referral code to get 10% discount on your subscription. The fees can be paid as EMI also. So let's crack it with Unacademy.